All right, y'all. It's your girl Elisa Ray, and this is me sharing my weight loss journey with you guys. My previous video I made got like 120k views on it, and that's when I was 193. Okay, so I just slimmed it down to 160. So yeah, so this is me from the front, me from the side, from the back, and from the front again. Okay, so I still got some work to do. When I was almost 200 pounds, my goal was 175. So now that I've surpassed 175 and I'm 160, and I realize I still have work to do. Like I don't want to lose any weight, but I definitely want to tone up my arms, my stomach, my butt, you know, all the stuff that women want, unbig my back a little bit more. So yeah, I'm trying not to get surgery. I'm trying to do it the natural way. But you know, I'm not 100% opposed to it either. So we're just gonna see where life takes me. So yeah, this is me at 160, and I'm so glad I'm not 200 pounds no more, okay? So yeah, follow me to keep going with me on my weight loss journey, and I'm gonna be sharing updates and posts and workout routines and diet routines and all that. So yeah, come back and stay tuned for more. Peace.